This screencast is to demonstrate how to access the quick access settings from Calendar within a Google Meet. So I am going to generate a calendar invite on a Saturday. And from this calendar invite, I'm going to add Google Meet video conferencing. Once I do so, I have some icons that are over here to the right. I'm going to access the video call options setting wheel. The video call options setting wheel allows for me to turn quick access on or off. The default setting at the moment is that quick access is on. That means that participants can quickly access the meeting without the host admitting them or being there. So in this case, I'm going to turn it off and select save. Now this link or conference info that I can copy using that icon and share with participants will now only be accessible when the host joins first. So now I'm going to go ahead and join this meet. Now please keep in mind that I am the current host of this particular Google Meet. Once you are in a Google Meet of any sort, it can be a Meet that is generated from Google Classroom, a Meet that's generated from the calendar, or a Meet that is generated from meet.google.com, you can access these settings from within Google Meet by clicking on the three dots at the bottom panel. From the three dots, you can select Settings, and from Settings, select Host Controls. The host controls that I'm highlighting in this video are the meeting access or quick access options. So from this view, I can turn the quick access on as well as off. Now, please keep in mind that again, when the quick access is off, that means that participants cannot join the link without the host, and that the host must also admit the participants. If you set this to off, and once you access your meeting, want to turn it on, that will allow for users to join without being admitted. So this quick access feature has a lot of, provides users of Google Meet a lot of opportunity.